Yeah. Is that the problem? You little greedy man. 3 days old. Right, Stinky? He's eating a lot more. Little face. All this beautiful hair.
Trying to get to that closet real quick.
Oh.
You got no strength anymore?
Them shits don't work. Bro, them Johns don't work at all. But then that cup, be careful, that John hot. That been about to be in that video. YOLO. I started crawling. 3 days. What you eat for about 10, 15 minutes. He got hair on his face.
All the way down to hair.
Bruh, I think that's so cute. Then Josiah, when he came out, well, he had the receiver. Alright, boy. I was like, oh no, we just gonna keep a hat on you. We gotta keep a hat on you. Right, Stinky? I don't think he liked the light too much, but you know, mommy does her morning video. I gotta get my pump. I got a pump today. Ain't that? Somebody knocking on your door. You hear that? I gonna do it again. Right now he is content. Oh my bad. I definitely heard like 3 taps. This is our morning video. Later I will be doing. This is a perfect latch. He has a hard suck, which is awesome. At 3 days old, eating for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, right now. Relax. And I'm gonna have to pump because our milk has come in. Woohoo! Let's pause because he's. And this is what we call pacifiering. He does take a bobo, but he's not eating. He's just sitting. He doesn't enjoy the light too much. So, yeah. So he's just gonna sit on here. So I'm gonna get him a banky. Look, he's like, what do you want? What do you want? Little baby. Yeah. To this little handsome face. Alright, hold on, man.